Hi everybody, I'm Kudas, and this is answering what the hell is denoising strength. You don't know what denoising strength is. Nobody knows what denoising strength is. And this is for stable diffusion using image to image. What I've got here is a screenshot of one of my Kenshi character. And we are going to put it through an AI with denoising at different levels just to show what the hell it does. Anyway, this is denoising at 0.01. Essentially nothing happens. I mean, it resized the image, so it got bigger. It looks a little bit better, but overall, it the denoising AI respected what the original image is, and it's the same. Then you got 0.02. Barely anything changed. Like 0.01, 0.02, almost nothing. 0.03, you start to see the face change a little bit more smoothness, a little bit nicer. 0.02, 0.03. When you get up to 0.04, it really starts to change. But you can still see the original stuff is still there, the pants are still there, everything, like, you know, the flip-flops, which were obviously, the wooden flip-flops, start to turn into shoes, but they're bulky, weird-looking shoes because it's still keeping the squares. Then you get to 0.5, and the shoes start to turn more into normal shoes. The pants get weird stuff. The faces change entirely, and the boobs get bigger, because of course they do. I mean, that's what AI is for. 55, I mean, you can still see the ground. The shoes are now shoes. Like, the pose is still the same. Boobs are bigger. Facial expression changed. There you go. 0.06, a lot more has changed. Like, now, like, the shirt, completely different. The pants are different. There's weird accessories. The shoes are definitely shoes. The background's starting to get washed out. Now, 0.065, background, completely gone, changed. Shoes are gone. Oh, wait. Whoops. Okay, anyways. Yeah. So that's like that, 6. Then you go 6.5, it's still changing. You know, boobs got even bigger. 7, different hair color, different clothes, extra legs. Yeah. When you get up to 7 in denoising, like, it starts to add stuff that's not there in the original image. So, yeah. 7.5. What the hell is this? Basically unrecognized, or, well, the pose is still there from the original image, but it's, and the wall is turned into legs, because of course it has. And we got 8, where this is completely different. Or, well, no, the pose is there. Sort of. No more flip-flops, no more nothing. Nothing. And if you're wondering, hey, that kind of looks like the avatar you're using. Well, yeah, I made this with AI. I made a lot of things with AI. And I'm lazy, so it's just basically a JPEG, or not a JPEG, it's a ping, and then I just put a face on it, or I put a mouth on it when it's talking. Yeah. But yeah, this is what happens there. Then at 8.5, it turns into this. I don't even know what the hell this is. Just asses for days, extra willy, just completely different from that. And at 9, what? What the hell is this? 9.5. There you go. And at 1, since I was using the same seed for all of these, it wasn't going to change, but it seems like there's actually no difference between 9.5 and 1, which is no denoising. No denoising. And I've been saying denoising a lot, but denoising is how much it actually respects the original image. This is the original image. This is a freaking JPEG screenshot from Kenshi, which somehow turned into this. And the reason there's 2 of these is because I was using batch just so it looks, it would take up more space on the screen. But yeah, that to this with denoising fully on. That, like, when you go with barely any denoising, it looks the same. But this, come on, what the hell? That's just letting the AI take over and make whatever the hell it wants. which is some crazy bunch of legs. Anyway, this has been Kudas, and I hope you have some idea what denoising is for stable diffusion and image to image. I don't usually say this in my videos, but if you want to see more of these, please like, comment, or subscribe. And subscribe, whatever. I don't care. This was a pain in the, this was, I mean, despite being like only a couple minutes of video, this took days to create. Compared to everything else on my channel, is like it's a couple hours or just like an hour of gameplay. This took days. So I don't think I'm actually going to do more of these tutorials unless people actually watch this one. Yeah. Anyways, this has been Kudas. Goodbye, everybody.